got it. Almost warm enough to be a little bit too cold out there. But for this afternoon, it's quite cloudy, actually, and there's some rain around as well. Let's have a look at the satellite picture, first of all. You'll notice it's quite a large area of cloud, actually, that's been affecting us over the last 24 hours or so. The thickest of the clouds so far today has actually been across western portions of the UK and especially across Northern Ireland, where additionally we've seen quite a wet start to the day. But the good news is that across Northern Ireland the rain should be easing off a little bit as we go through the afternoon, but it'll stay wet across the northwest. As far as the rest of the country is concerned, generally dry and temperatures getting up to around about 17 degrees with a bit of sunshine, for example, in London. To end the day then, the rain stays across the north of the UK. For the rest of us, it's a relatively dry night. Quite muggy out there, bit of mist around, and not a cold night at all. Look at the temperatures. We're talking about double figures, 10 or 11 degrees, so that's getting into the low 50s. And these are quite widespread temperatures, really, across the country. So the weekend, then, it's a little bit of a mix. Some rain, some sunshine. Of course, I've already promised you some good weather, but the good weather on Saturday will actually be across the south of the country. In the north, it's a very different picture, not quite so nice. In fact, again, more rain for Northern Ireland. The rain gets into Scotland, some of the Irish Sea coasts, and the western coast of the UK as well. But let's zoom into this great area of weather first of all. In fact, a crackerjack of a day across the southeast. Temperatures getting up to 21, maybe even 22. Perfect to be out in the park. And these widespread temperatures up to 20 degrees, going as far north as Lincolnshire, into the south of Yorkshire as well. And even in Newcastle, despite the clouds, still 17. Some rain around, though, across the southern uplands of Scotland. Some rain around across Northern Ireland, too. But you'll notice in the Western Isles and just about getting into the west of Northern Ireland, we'll start to see some sunshine poking through a little bit later on in the afternoon. The west of Wales, however, will be a little bit on the cloudy side, but I still think temperatures will get up to around about 18 degrees in Cardiff, which, of course, is not bad at all. And in Plymouth, apart from a bit of cloud, not a bad day, and 17 degrees. So that's Saturday. How about Sunday? Well, it's actually the other way around. If you want some sunshine very early in the day across the southeast, you better be up very early, because that rain will be spilling in southwards and southeastwards through Sunday. On the other hand, across Scotland and Northern Ireland, well, this is where we're going to see some of the best of the weather, although the highest temperature is still in the south at around about 18 degrees. So the weekend is looking a little bit topsy-turvy, and as far as the next week is concerned, cloud and some rain and showers about to
Comes back so quickly. Thank you very much.